Although many residents and tourists have cars in Montreal, the city is rather easy to navigate on foot or on a bicycle. If you want to get your family out for some fresh air and exercise, you can rent bikes, or take a guided bike tour, from Ca Roule Montreal at 27 de la Commune East Street in Old Montreal and take them on a scenic ride along the Lachine Canal Bike Path. From the bike shop, you'll ride directly alongside the canal beyond downtown Montreal to Parc René-Levesque. Along the way, you'll pass the St. Lawrence Seaway and Lake Saint-Louis as well as old mills and grain elevators that line the waterway. You might even see a few boats waiting for the water to rise at locks in the canal, allowing them to pass through the city. The entire trip to Parc René-Levesque and back to Ca Roule Montreal is about 18 miles, which should take about 2 to 3 hours to complete, depending on how fast you want to take it. If you're hungry along the way, you can cross the small bridge over the Lachine Canal and head to the Marche Atwater for picnic staples such as cheese, fruits, bread, and other tasty snacks.